How to enable Apple Intelligence. Now, if you want to enable Apple Intelligence, it is fairly simple to do so. First, you open up Settings and you make sure you're using iOS 18 or above. To confirm that, just tap on the General option that you see there. Then go to the option Software Update. Check if you have got the latest iOS 18 or above update. Now just come back to Settings. You'll find an option that says Apple Intelligence and Siri. So after you find this option, just tap on it, and there you'll find the option to turn on or the toggle next to Apple Intelligence. Remember that you might have to download about 5 to 7 gigabytes of data, and after you download it, there is no way that you can uninstall Apple Intelligence aside or unless you choose to factory reset your iPhone. But this way you can enable Apple Intelligence. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.